친구들! 안녕하세요! Ang paksa po natin sa video ito ay Yoil, Day of the Week. 월요일, Monday. 월요일. 화요일, Tuesday. 화요일. 수요일, Wednesday. 수요일. 목요일, Thursday. 목요일. 금요일, Friday. 금요일. 토요일, Saturday. 토요일. And lastly, 일요일, Sunday. 일요일. Alam nyo ba na sa Korea, meron pong hidden meaning ang kanilang day of the week? Ang wol means moon. Hwa means fire. So means water. Mok means wood or tree. Gum means gold. And tu means soil. And lastly, il means sun. At yan po ang day of the week ng Koreans or Yoil. 그럼 친구들, 다음에 만나요.